Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what's installed. Run Python version and Python 3 version to see baseline. Once done, place the new installer in a known folder or remember its download path, and open Command Prompt as administrator so installs can modify system path. You will use the installer in silent or interactive mode from CMD. Make sure to note whether you need 32-bit or 64-bit build, because that determines the executable name and installation directory during the next step. Now navigate to the installer folder with CD and run the installer from Command Prompt. For a silent, system-wide install use, Python 3, XAMD64, exe/quiet install all users equals 1 prepend path equals 1 so path is updated automatically. If you prefer prompts, omit /quiet and follow on-screen choices. Use install all users equals 1 when you need system installation. Once the process finishes, check the installer exit code and any log files produced to ensure no errors. Because a silent failure can leave old versions. To complete, confirm the upgrade by running Python version and wear Python to see which executable is active. If the new version isn't first, update the path to point to the new installation folder and restart Command Prompt. If there's a conflict from multiple installs, uninstall older versions using the installers /uninstall switch or via programs and features. You can also remove lingering entries from path. Key troubleshooting tip. If commands still resolve to the old binary, restart your shell and check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.